Allison Habel, the speech language pathologist at Liberty. Today I'd like to show you a family fun activity that will create a lot of natural language. This activity will also help you celebrate Earth Day. To help the Earth, we can do three things. We can reduce our use of certain materials like plastic, reuse materials, or recycle. And today we are going to reuse a milk carton to create a bird feeder. So I've already pre-cut the holes, but what you'll need is scissors, a pen, some sort of ribbon or string, and birdseed. So what you do is you cut a hole on each side of the milk carton. You want to make sure that you don't cut too low so the bird has somewhere to land. And then you want to also take a pen and poke small holes onto the top for the string or ribbon to go through. So I'm gonna put this through, and this is for hanging on a tree outside. I chose a sparkly ribbon because I like sparkles, but you can choose whatever color you would like. You want to just create a knot at the top so it's sturdy. And you can hang it like this. So you pour the bird seed in. And the birds will come, land on a little perch here, and be able to eat right out of this reused milk carton. I hope you have fun. Bye.